Andali, andali! May nararamdaman ako!
Ate, bakit?
Ano po yun?
Malakas na puwersa. Hindi ko inaasahan ito.
Wow. Nakakatakot ka naman, ate. Ano ba yan?
Negatibo po
Ayan
ba
na!
yan? Ay,
Nakakakilabot! May nilalang ang magbabalik.
Ha? May magbabalik?
may mga tricycle,
May
lolo.
magpapalit na
Ang
nilalang.
dami.
Nilalang?
May nilalang. Nakakilakilabot ang magbabalik.
May magbabalik? Parang alam na ng audience.
Na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo. Sa piling mo, pagkasama kita, nadarama ako.
Nagbabalik si Jano. Si Jano.
Si Mayor.
Oy, Anot.
Oh, nabuisit si Alden.
Hindi si Anot
Sama
yan.
ng tingin
Hindi
ni
pa si
Alden.
Anot.
Hi, ate. What happened to your face?
Ate!
What happened to your face?
Ate mo rito!
Sino ba ako?
Take two, take two.
Sino ba ako?
Frankie ka.
Frankie.
Ay, sorry.
Rewind.
Iba pa rin.
Hi, Lola.
Oh, yeah!
What happened to your face?
There you go.
Hi, May. Bless
It's
Lola.
part of the pungsoy.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? What happened to you guys? Are you...
Kumusta ka, Frankie?
I'm good. You see, I'm good. I'm here. I'm back, and I miss you all.
Michael Corso.
Yes.
Michael Kors.
Yeah.
Ferrari.
Ibig sabihin.
Ferrari yung pantalon, no?
Yes.
Ito pala, ate, yung nararamdaman mong ano.
Oo.
Masamang
Ano ibig
puwersa.
sabihin yan?
Ah,
MK.
magpakailanman.
Mike.
Michael Kors.
Michael.
Iba daw ang MK mo, Mike Kaya.
May
Yan, may kaya.
May kamot. Bakit nga ba bigla kang napauwi dyan, Frankie?
Oo nga.
What's about?
It's really hard to say, but I want to tell to everybody, I'm just divorced. Yeah.
Nagkaasawa ka doon sa Amerika?
Yung tanong mo parang hindi ko...
Takang-taka ka naman.
Parang duda.
Dibi na, yun nga eh. Nag-divorce
Yeah, of
kasi
course.
nag-asawa.
Of course, that's why I will Michael Kors. Of course, I'm married, and I'm back here because I'm broken-hearted.
So you're free again. You're
Yeah,
free.
I'm free again. That's why I'm back here, and I want make kalimot to myself, to my what happened to me about a past few weeks. Hi, Alden.
Oh,
Alden, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't make me face like that. Okay? Maine and I, friend. Very, very
Friend
good
lang,
friend.
friend lang.
Okay?
Friends
Just
lang.
family related.
Family friend.
Family friend. And, you know, when the first time I came back here in the Philippines, I met Yaya.
Yeah, oo.
And Yaya don't like me anymore.